We all want to live longer, healthier lives. But what if the secret to longevity isn't just what you do, but what you avoid doing? Today, we're breaking down 8 common everyday habits that doctors say could be shaving years off your life. The good news: the less you do these, the better your chances of living a long, vibrant life. 1. Sitting too much. You've probably heard the phrase, sitting is the new smoking. Prolonged sitting, especially without breaks, is linked to heart disease, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and even early death. According to the Mayo Clinic, people who sit for more than 8 hours a day without physical activity have a risk of dying similar to the risks posed by obesity and smoking. Doctor's advice: get up every 30 minutes, walk around, use a standing desk, move more. Even light movement helps. 2. Skipping sleep. Burning the candle at both ends. Chronic sleep deprivation can increase your risk of heart disease, depression, obesity, and even cancer. Sleep is when your body heals and detoxes. Doctor's advice: aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Prioritize sleep like your life depends on it, because it does. 3. Excessive screen time. Too much screen time isn't just bad for your eyes. It can disrupt your sleep patterns, elevate stress, reduce attention span, and lead to a sedentary lifestyle. Doctor's advice: use blue light filters at night. Take breaks and practice digital detox regularly. 4. Constant stress. Living in a constant state of stress increases cortisol, raises blood pressure, weakens the immune system, and accelerates aging. Doctor's advice: practice mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing, or regular exercise. And don't be afraid to talk to a therapist. 5. Poor posture. Slouching may seem harmless, but over time, it can lead to chronic pain, poor circulation, and even impact your mood and lung function. Doctor's advice: strengthen your core, use ergonomic chairs, and be mindful of your posture during daily tasks. 6. Skipping meals. While intermittent fasting has its benefits, consistently skipping meals without planning can slow metabolism, affect blood sugar, and increase overeating later. Doctor's advice: eat balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Listen to your body's hunger cues. 7. Ignoring mental health. Mental health is as vital as physical health. Ignoring depression, anxiety, or emotional trauma can shorten your lifespan just like chronic diseases can. Doctor's advice: don't suffer in silence. Seek help, practice self-care, and stay socially connected. 8. Smoking and excessive drinking. This one's no surprise. Smoking shortens life expectancy by at least 10 years. And while moderate drinking might be okay for some, heavy drinking is linked to liver disease, cancers, and cognitive decline. Doctor's advice: quit smoking entirely. Drink in moderation, if at all, and get professional help if needed.